li malungil silse merarbeklav tia Meang alaisa. Ako tal Meang alaisa bagusaw dringi angara Ministry Education. Tol tirak ka aisya Minister Dr. Dale Jenkins. Amla return merabalu bela amla return sera sarudey. Tol tirak ka aisya Ministera el altama dingara blili orior. Antilang mo sabi el malfuli wigaver mo sabi el return mora obisringil mo oriol full time. Madukuk kasi kita kukuram lo isela Ministry Education. Kita kukmora Ministry of Justice. TMC amlo malas malmut mala information ma-update el girel sel ayel positive drug test. Mlo matigaringil wase sel process or sel teleta lumilgat mok lagi girel milngaya test. Suko mumle positive yang ari nga adam madengel waseng 10 positive cases amlaringi yang legirel magatmok laureor ra blila bulis el momrege turn in el mora obisel AG ya AG agut maklaureor dol tirak ra ay sen lara reliable source em mutre el alsil se seguir el process adiri al magatmok se ya isela Ministry of Justice admora obisra Ministry of Health Tultirak ra news sel nomre kal press conference adran media ulagir Mr. President al waseng sel CT scan amlewang ra update ringim letalmal ya president amle ensel wase oyeng letalmal letamlagut makli el alsil sia TMC amno sobe el mut el contactor hospital التلمود التقنية لأضلوا الأسبيتار مع patient الديريغ الملامي أقول واسين ديريغ التلمال أسيتي سكان أسبيتار بلور بيلا ديريغ الأسيسيو المينستري راهل إن ديريغ النصبئة أضلوا الأسبيتار نيا reliable source ملو أيسل واسي pharmacy من ديريغ المصونسا أغار سيجيدا إسلا ministry راهل يادغوك ميرا Adol tirak ra ay seng tilob sel isela WIOA el direk el mle sel mle WIA mlo blakatak logi wengel el BS el director el ngiang klela Glenda Ngirmeril gegi the executive director WIOA adol tirak ra ay seng mlo ngilutel drual mlo matigel wase sera 2020 ma 2021 ya balur belaw ang ilaya angeso rabalur amerigel el total amount raudo del ngila balur belaw 43,145,448 ya dol tirak ra ay se el alsils en mlomatigel wase sel mlom al madel el derngel seguid el 43,145,448 at $2,291,451 Madol tirak ro urma ay seng bulgula wase miloita okwal milyon 40,853,997 Mang losob ela TMC gantak tra executive director el mo oger el wase aigel udo del uspe aigel blolo uspe el haraw segi del bokor del ngar okwal milyon ngaringi blakatak el Bavier el uklo ice maluben record lo ice lo segal udo malmlor el altime mal wase o ending dir ka momlus el mail nga email morulia aurel el momrege odro klilmei mang sel mei ya TMC el mut el me o ice lo sesem lo nga tetele atangara WIA uklumu imul el mora private mang dol tirak ra ice sel vessel stoang la WCTC ama dol tirak ra sel tilo social media ang mulu asing soft opening. Abalugul siya mlosob ela TMC mo udur adra WCTC tedirigal malu ay sel wase adora bigi ko gidol open nya moringi sel wal clol opening tel strong sel boring sel finish sel mal completely ang momre ka nga tablol dirigal gora mo part tel strong dirigal rule sel complete mo momre nga moringa clol lo mga asmerel tel close strong nga arabalura amal gayok Atang arsegi de egore di dirigal di do aisel wase akasus mlaringi sel momong 29th year celebration ra PCS direk mlaringi sel gora gala oloruringi ra bekrak mlaringi ra PRR ra kasus to ay sel waseng adol tirak ra ay sel waseng lotrawa bogor dal ngar ewaldar tel tiget ya imol tiget tamle dar takluk direk ngaringa abek pedengela igel donation sel mlong mang moringa ako makael isela PCS el bolot tobdi lo sob ela adol tirak ra ay sia Senator TJ de mga saw gay chairman rabor dam lomo dadu malulurang asaw lurang asulis trigel el tira partners el mal at tingin la wase tira gida mo close to three el adal trigel olol museo ma ulti al programa sab el malmol malwaise gay gida ku kuram lo may al aiser el al Sunday direk al mal ngaringa agora to bets el may al aisel tilob draskura Mizenti High School Adrevelao rogo am osob il o mesra social media mesasel el programa tigel ngal revelao el mlom tera blur velao no Singapore el tira other cell robotics team tira ngal ka aktimo oiwitial ngi agora alul tabdia skura misenti mangel gor om tira ngal kal mera TMC makmo oiwi mulwase Mizenti High School makes history by sending a team to the first Global Challenge FGC 2023 Robotics Olympics in Singapore. 7 students and 2 adult mentors traveled to Singapore from October 11, 2023 to compete in the event, ensuring that Palau was represented. Alongside more than 191 nations, MHS students competed in all aspects of the robotics competition from assembly to games. The goal of the program serves to promote science, technology, engineering, and math. Segida ulang klel sea STEM. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, among youth from around the world. According to the official website, the FGC is an Olympic-style international robotics competition that takes place in a different country each year. FGC invites each nation to send a team to build and program a robot to compete. Upon receiving this invitation, as the only school with robotics elective, MHS applied to represent the nation. Thanks to the generosity of FGC for their financial aid and the generosity of donors including Palau Medical Clinic and donations from the 680 Night Market, Robotics Team Palau participated in Singapore. We also thank Mr. Hayes and Lois Moses for going the extra mile and traveling as parents to join us in Singapore. Team Palau also shares in the vision of both promoting interest in STEM and encouraging more female participation in this field. It was also important to showcase the strength of diversity for our nation as Palauans, Filipino, and Japanese students work together as a team to make the most out of this learning experience. As teachers, it is important for us to nurture the students' interests in STEM as well as expose them to different opportunities, recounts one of the team mentors. Each student also shared their excitement with participation in FGC for both the technical aspect of building robots as well as the friendships they make with nations around the world. Building on this historic first, we dream of Palau's continued participation in the competition, hoping to achieve 2 goals, 2 versions of a national team. We hope to one day lead a team with 1 student from each high school, and then one day lead a team with 1 student from 8th to 12th grade. So if you want to meet FGC Team Palau or schedule a visit to your school, you may contact the MHS and speak to Mr. Sylvester Francis Alons at 488-2437 or 775-8839. Seguida agora isela Mizenti edigu ay serbek adol wase mlosob ela a TMC el extend the invitation el mora tiragi del lulum tera blur belao el mortial el STEM mong tagilengay malmo mesang ngil temira next week mosobiir el trigel roguil ngal lulum tera blur belao matrigel el staff el ulbantri ame dong okkartiang ya mo interview team to kora demo ay sa isira may gel guksolin mot mo el girel experience tira el bora blura Singapore ko mal musulang ya dire ko kutel te ale gure ka sulela Palau dire el mal mal sponsor a mayang alais ko mal musulang